So guys, we're here at LBX. LBX. LBX.
Nakakasira ng buhok.
Sino? Ay, yung buhay pagkulay. What is that? Look at the little tiny airplane. Wow. Yeah. Yung aeroplano, naglalanding. Do not touch. Si Mama. Kaya pa ba maglakad? Kaya pa. Buksan mo na, okay. Pasok. Mga paparazzi dito sa harapan niyo, mga paparazzi. Oh, pasok. Ayun, hanap kayo. Tingnan kayo ng mga kakain niyo dito. Tara, tayo. Anong gusto nyo kainin? Ayan. Blande. Mamaya na yan, matamis yan eh. Kain tayo na ano. Salmon, no? Yung salmon. Ha?
May salmon sa bahay.
Oo. Tacos. Sino tacos? Wagner Street. Beef.
Dalawa na kami ni Papa.
Anong tawag yan? Japanese Wagsuki Bento Royal.
May tofu, may baby.
Okay. Gusto mo sandwich or ano yun? Dito, ikot tayo dito. Baka may gusto pa kayo dito. Baka gusto mag-inom. What do you call your food, Jing? The Legend of Zelda. This is the Legend of Zelda sandwich. It's almost halfway done. I don't know what Mommy ordered. What you ordered?
Donergy or grill or something.
Kailan Mama?
Istanbul.
Ako. I forgot. It just looks delicious. I ordered this chicken and there's chicken and fries in there. Some onions and bell peppers and tomatoes and all of the garlic sauce on it. That's it. I don't know what it is, but it's almost done.